Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix folders reverting to read-only on Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings. Click Manage Controlled Folder Access. Turn off Controlled Folder Access. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type attrib space, -r space, +s space, opening quotes folder path closing quotes. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type sfc space, /scanno. Type dism space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /check health. Type dism space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /scan health. Type dism space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /restore health. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.